Welcome to this user interface tutorial. In this short video, we'll take a quick tour of the View tab. The software is built around a modern ribbon-based interface, which brings together all essential tools in a clear, organized layout. The View tab provides tools and commands specific to display options. The Display Options window can be accessed from the drop-down menu shown here. It allows you to show or hide different types of elements in the structure, adjust the viewing mode, and modify the relative dimensions of the graphic components. Within the Display Options window, various settings are available covering visibility, colors, sizes, texts, and scales. The effect of the modifications brought by the different tabs can be viewed by clicking the Apply button, before being confirmed using the OK button. Please note, the dialog box remains visible until the OK button or the Close button have been clicked. The Visibility tab allows you to show or hide the different elements composing the structure, along with some of their attributes. The General tab here offers options related to the camera such as projection, rendering method, hidden line option, and transparency level. The Model tab offers various additional options for elements such as joints, link elements, loads, and more. For example, in the Members section, the visualization mode of section shapes can be set to hidden, cross-section, wireframe, or solid. The Colors tab modifies the color of the elements composing the structure, results curves, as well as the visual aids. To modify the color of an element, double-click on the item to modify. The Sizes tab modifies the relative viewing size of the different elements of the structure and their attributes. The Texts tab allows to change the font used to display texts on the screen. It also allows to display or hide the text associated to the different elements of the model. To display any given text, check the box adjacent to the desired text. The Scales tab determines the graphical dimensions of the loads and the results curves in function of the dimensions of the structure. The Display Driver Settings command allows to adjust the parameters of the 3D display driver. The 3D display drivers available are DirectX 11 for a faster 3D display in more vivid colors, OpenGL 2.0 for a faster 3D display in more vivid colors, or Windows GDI failsafe driver but slower and less bright colors. By default, the selected driver is DirectX 11. The Enable Hardware Acceleration command is used to improve the display speed by using the 3D acceleration capabilities of the graphic card. Please note, this option is not available when selecting the Windows GDI driver. The Enable Anti-Aliasing command is used to improve the graphic display quality but slows down the display process. The graphic card must support anti-aliasing, which also needs to be turned on in the graphic card drivers. Please note, this option is not available when selecting the Windows GDI driver. Finally, the Enable Transparency command allows to enable or disable transparency options within the program. Transparency enhances visualization by enabling you to see through objects like plates, surfaces, and solids, but it may come with reduced rendering performance. In addition, additional commands are found here such as Show or Hide Axes, Invert Wheel Zoom, and Invert Wheel Navigation. The Toolbars section allows you to show or hide specific toolbars, such as the camera, shortcuts, and results bar. The Assign Color command allows to assign a color to selected elements of the model. The option list contains the default and custom option as well as all defined named colors. When the default option is chosen, the elements will be assigned the color specified in the display options for the appropriate type of element. When the custom option is chosen, a specific color is assigned. This color may be selected by double-clicking the colored square located at the right of the option list. A specific color can be assigned a custom name using the Color Names button. This concludes our overview of the View tab, highlighting the key tools and commands within the interface. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.